Good morning. Yun na isa nila eh. Yay! Wala nang... Ang sadang gahapon?
Wala nang iwanan.
Finally, ano na. Good morning, friends. Finally, ano na. Wala nang holiday. Kahapon, wala. We thought na, wow, we were so early. Pero holiday pala. Kaya walang tao, kami lang. So, we're just looking for the room. Here na guys, and we're just waiting kasi mga 8 pa mag-open. So, nandito. Here's the door. Yeah. Well, so mag-chill muna kami kasi it's still 7:30. Buti na lang at maaga kami kasi we're first in line. Diba? Para hindi kami matatagalan. Mas maigi yung maaga kaysa darating ka ng late tapos it will take time kasi maghihintay ka na naman sa sa line. So, yun. Chill. Kami lang ni Papa tsaka ni Roki. It's been matagal na since I've been here. Like, when I was ano ba yan? Inaasikaso ko yata yung mga yung marriage contract tsaka birth certificate ng mga bata. Yun. Medyo matagal na din. Mga 10 years ago. Yun. 10 or more. Basta. Friends! Hi, friend! Hi, friend! Baabaa is going to attend a birthday party. And we are still early. So we're waiting here at the parking lot. Diba ba? Early bird catches the worm. Sakto ba na, Jer?
I don't know.
You're the worm. So we're just waiting here and yeah. Let's talk na lang muna kasi medyo matagal pa yung start ng birthday party. So we're here at McDonald's kasi sa McDonald's yung birthday party ng classmate ni Baabaa. So yun, Baabaa is already 10. So we stop having their parties at Jollibee like mga unsa man to like 6 years old yan. So up to 6 years old yun pala yung last na birthday party nila sa Jollibee kasi they feel like they're already big now to have their party at Jollibee or McDo. I like my eyebrows today. I do have a new eyebrow routine, guys, and I've changed my eyebrow routine because this is much faster like from my previous eyebrow routines. Very little product and very affordable product and very easy product to access. Yun. So I've been having my brows, or I've been doing my brows like this for like a month or so. Yun. Baaba's going to get their gift birthday boy. Sige na ba?
Nakiyaram ng dawatin ba niya? May
Dali. Kami sa birthday ng classmate ni Baabaa.
Hello.
Yay! May si Baabaa. Pabaon. And balloons ba? Show them your balloons ba? Aray! Bad lagi ka ba? So we are going to fetch ate na sa school kasi 4 o'clock siya ang dismissal ni ate. See you later, guys. I'm too beautiful. Ate's here. Hi, ate. Graduate na ka, te? Ha? Oh, birthday ni Monsa.
Naalatan ni ka. Birthday na niya kay kumukhaan daw siya sa gawas sa balay.
Oh, kauban na sila ni Benog, tama. Okay, Dozo. Excited na si Baabaa. Alam niyo ba guys, si Baabaa galing lang sa birthday party from McDo. And tingnan niyo naman, kumakain na naman siya ng burger. I told her to get burger kasi maraming burger doon sa birthday party pero hindi siya kumuha. Gusto talaga niya sa Burger King. Tingnan niyo.
Slime.
At ito naman si Pizza Man. Oh, si Pizza Girl.
Oh my God. Elephant. Pizza
Elephant. Sa sing, di ba? Ba? No? Di ba ba? Hi po. Can you share your burger? Share your burger, not show your burger. We're home. Gabi na, 6 o'clock na, and kainan na. Lechon. Kain tayo guys. Lechon kasi so hungry already. It was konti lang yung kinain ko, spaghetti and chicken doon sa birthday party ng classmate ni Baabaa. So kain na tayo guys. Si ate iba yung kinain. Yung kay ate Pizza Hut. Sa akin ito si Mother Pizza. Si Roki
Lechon.
Lechon girl.
Dali ba?
May galing ka.
Hoy, kaon na. Kain na. Lechon. I'm
importante.
excited.
Ay, may pali kayo.
Sausaw sa suka.
Pay mari anak ka tong tidal magidaog. Dilugay mo na tidal.
Sarap. Masarap sana pag may puso. But since wala, ito na ang kanin.